Monday, everybody. Everybody, so today is Monday, May something, I have no idea. It is absolutely awesome outside today. It's so warm, it's sunny, it's supposed to be pretty all week this week, which means I get to clean my car, which I'm probably going to do in this video. It is just so nice today. I'm going to try to go out and be outside even though I can't smell or taste anything, and I think my cold's getting worse, but it'll go away and it's okay. I still feel like going outside, so that's okay. So, as always, just keep watching to see what happens. Look at these crazy boys. Gator's going to do some tricks. Is that right? He's like, what is this camera? And Pork Chop's like, what's going on? Hey, Pork Chop. Tell everybody hello. Dinner. Say hi. Say hi to everybody. Say hello. He's so confused. So I thought that it would be kind of cool to show you the tricks that I've taught Gunner. Okay. Well, he's already sitting. Hey, get over there. Sit down. Good boy. Okay, you're gonna catch it. Okay, here we go. Up. Okay. Sit. Lay down. Lay down. Lay down. Good boy. Sit. Lay down. Down. Roll over. Roll over. Good boy. Good boy. Alright. Speak. He's like, give me the cheese. And last but not least, Gunner, go to your cage. Go to your cage. And go get in there. That right there is why I have the coolest dog in the world. Gunner. So if you have me on Facebook, you probably already saw my post, but for some reason today, there's some birds. I don't know if they're coming from that tree or over there, but every time we walk to the mailbox to try to check and see if the mail is ran, they come out and try to attack us for some reason. And I don't know if I should like drive my car to go get the mail because I saw the mail lady come and deliver the mail. But I'm kind of scared because I don't want to get pecked by no bird. I don't know what to do. Maybe I will drive there and then I'll record it and see if they come out while I'm there. You know what? For vlogging purposes, I think I'm gonna walk and be a man. Until a bird comes after me. Then you may hear me scream like a girl. So I'm at the mailbox. I'm got the mail. Gonna walk back down. Well, I made it, people. They didn't attack me this time. But I'm still scared. They really tried to attack me this morning. I came running in the garage like a little girl. So right now I'm at the Overlook in Norton, and I'm going to show you just how pretty it is. It is so beautiful up here. So it has been a great day, and so come tomorrow's gonna be nice too, so there'll be another video tomorrow too. This right here is my husband, Dad, and no, he is not single. He is already taken, ladies, so sorry. So that's all in this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to check out the fidget spinner video for a chance to win a free fidget spinner. Check out that video on how to win. So, from me and Dad, good night, America. Or Big Stone Gate.